In this lecture, we'll learn about conditional formatting. Here, under the home menu, we can see conditional formatting here. So after right clicking here on the conditional formatting, we see the highlight cells, rows, then greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains blah blah blah, many sorts of more rules. So here top and bottom rules, data bars, color skills. So to present your data in more effective ways so that it becomes easy to understand to the management or to the viewers, then this conditional formatting is very important. So first I am displaying this from these numbers I'm choosing. So here I'm choosing the highlight cells rules greater than. So we want to see the cells that are greater than, suppose, 900. So after writing 900 here, after clicking OK, then we can see all the values more than 900 in highlighted options. So here, Command Z or Control Z in Windows. So Command Z in Mac and Control Z in Windows. So I'm going to the previous OS. So now I'm displaying you another conditional formatting, like using data bars. So I'm choosing only this column and I will use data bars here. So I'm using this data bar here. So we can see from this data bar very easily that which data contains more and which one contains less values from this data bar. So here I'm using another conditional formatting, like you can set icons, you can set different icons. So suppose you are using this column and you want to set different icons or color scales. Suppose you want to see these icons here. So here, sometimes it's very easy to understand or to point something with these icons to the viewers or to the management. So you can manage rules from the conditional formatting. You can create new rule, clear rules, icon set, color scale, you can put color scales, so many things from this amazing workspace that is Microsoft Excel. So you can present and display your information in various graphical ways so that it becomes very easy for the viewers or the decision makers. That's all for today's